Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to mix a high rise. We're going to start by pouring our ice directly into our highball glass for this one. Now, after doing that, we're going to mix in our main ingredients. Our base is going to be vodka. We're going to go 2 parts vodka to 1 part triple sec. So for this, let's go 1.5 ounces to 3/4 ounce. So the 1.5 ounces is going to be a 6 count. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. There we go. Sometimes the pour gets stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 3/4 ounce of triple sec, or 1, 2, and 3 for our count. Now we're going to top it up with orange juice, sour mix, and to finish it off, a splash of grenadine, which has that cherry pomegranate flavor and adds really nice color to the drink. Now we're going to pour all of these ingredients right back into our mixing tin. We use our cheater tin in this case, shake it up a little bit, and then pour everything right back in to our highball. Don't forget your straw, and that's your high rise. Enjoy.